My name's Alison Norlen. I teach at the University of Saskatchewan in the Art and Art History department in studio. I teach mainly in the areas of drawing and sculpture. My research, it circles around architecture in a symbolic way. My visual expression, my creativity is about kind of day-to-day routine. And it's about collecting what happens in your life and finding a form of understanding through the practice of making something. I think what makes my body of work relevant to Canadians is that it's about our experiences. Artistic practice is a way to express and to dissect life experience. I really fell in love with this idea of creating, and it just kept going, and I just fell in love with it and never stopped.